Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's session, we are going to cover method reference in Java 8. So without delay, let's get started. So what is method reference or double colon reference? Java provides a new feature called method reference. Method reference is used to refer method or functional interface. It is compact and easy form of Lambda expression. Each time when you are using Lambda expression to just referring a method, you can replace your Lambda expression with a method reference. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain method references concept in detail. So in method reference, there are types of method references. Let's see what are those. Reference to a static method, reference to an instance method, reference to a constructor. So let's go one by one. So what is reference to a static method? So basically, in static block of method, what we used to call, how we used to call or invoke in our Java code. Just we specify the class where the static method presents and do the dot, and then you can access the static method, right? So here it's similar fashion. Just see how we can achieve using functional programming. So you need to have one functional interface like sayable, and there should be a one abstract void say. And in the actual class, this is my actual class, and this is my main. This is my main block of code. Before the main block of code, I have one static method, and in the main block code, just I specify the type, like the functional type or sayable, and the object name, method reference, colon colon, say something. Parent the parenthesis that is not required. Basically the argument, we are not passing any argument, so just you need to specify the name of the method. So now we created this lambda expression, and with the help of sayable.say, it will actually invokes the static method. So this is what reference to static method. I will give you more explanation in the working session. Let's move to the next one, a reference to an instant method. So this is, we know, right? A non-static method, how we invoke a non-static method. Basically, we create the instant, and then with the help of the instant, we invoke the method, non-static method, right? So in the functional programming, how we achieve this? Let's see. So we have to create one interface, say sayable, say, and here, this is my non-static block of code method, and I've created one instance saying method reference. With the method reference double colon say something. So actually we are invoking this non-static method. And the other way, you can have a new operator and the actual instance name, class name, and then colon colon say something, and you can invoke this method. For this also, I can give you more detail in the working session. So the third one is reference to a constructor. So the reference to a constructor syntax has like a class name colon colon new. For this, we need one interface where I'm going to have one abstract to achieve this reference to constructor. And I have one this type, which is the return type of class, and create my type messageable able messageable and hello equal to the type of return like message colon colon new. So what happens when you invoke this method? You try to create the instant of this class. Try to access, call this constructor. So this also I'm going to explain you in the working session. Okay, let's move to the working session. Interface, and there is one static. This is static method reference. So I have one static method. The main block of code, what I did, I added this method type, interface type, and then class colon colon my static method. So use of this object test.getMessage will be printed. Okay, so this is a static method and the instant method reference. So same way we have one interface called test3, and there is one non-static method and string method. So in main block we have created one instance of this class instance method, and with the help of this instance double colon get message, that is non-static. And finally we call this expression lambda expression type dot get method so that it invokes this method. And then final constructor method reference, sorry, constructor method reference, right? So in this, let's see, we have one interface where the return type of message, right? So if I see this class message, there is one constructor has one argument method, I mean text, string, and in the main block of code we have test4 equal to message colon colon new. This will create the constructor, and with the help of this type4 dot get message, we'll try to create this constructor. Okay, friends. I hope you guys understood this method reference concept more detail, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until thanks for watching.